you want to supercharge the revenue you're making from your communities and membership on Circle, let me show you how the brand new integration between SamCart and Circle works and how you can automatically deliver SamCart customers right into your communities and make more in the process. Circle is a super powerful place to engage with your customers and share content and have a great forum to engage with all of your awesome paying subscribers. But maybe you want to raise your conversion rates. Maybe you want to diversify what you're selling. Maybe you want to be able to tap into expansion revenue and make more from every customer. Maybe you want to take that checkout and embed it somewhere on your site. Whatever reason you might be looking at SamCart, here's how you connect Circle and SamCart to have a seamless, effortless integration so your customers get exactly what they need the moment they buy. So setting up this integration starts from inside of any single SamCart account. All you need to do is come down to the settings for your account and then come up here to integrations. Here's a list of all the tools you've ever integrated into your SamCart account. And all I'm going to do is click on new integration and then choose Circle from the drop-down menu. Circle asks for two specific pieces of information that you need from your Circle account is the API key and this community URL. And like it says right here, the community URL is found under settings and general inside of Circle. So if I jump back over into my Circle account, I go to my settings and click on general. It's this URL right here. So ours is just samcart.circle.so. So I would type in https:// that is samcart.circle.so. I'm going to go ahead and skip the API key stuff so you guys don't see that, but you'll see what I say. And while this might not always be the case, as of right this second, you do need to be on Circle's business plan to access their API. And the same is true whether you want to connect to SamCart or whether you want to connect your Circle to Zapier and connect that way, right? But you do need to be currently on the business plan. After we enter in the API and click save, you'll see I have this brand new Circle integration listed right here. And now all I need to do is basically set some rules using the SamCart integration engine that say when this product is purchased, add them to Circle, or when this product is refunded, remove them from Circle. So what we're going to do is go to our products tab, and I'm just going to open up an example product that I like using, open up any product you have, and then go to the integrations tab to set up some rules for this product. Go to the integrations tab, click new rule, and then I'm going to select, right, what integration would I like to use? I'm going to choose Circle from the drop-down menu. And then I'm going to say, okay, cool. What actions would I like to take in Circle? So you can do a lot of different things here. You can add a member to a space. You can add a member to a space group. You can invite a member. You can remove a member from a community, a space, or a space group. You can RSVP. You can tag someone. You can un-RSVP. You can untag. You can do a lot of different things automatically, right? So I'm just going to go ahead and use add member to space. I'm sure would probably be the most common one that you guys are going to use, but you could just know a lot of different options that you have, right? But then the next step is I'm going to say, when do I want to do this, right? So I'm going to use an e-commerce trigger and say, all right, cool. When someone buys this product, I want to add them to a space. Okay, so here we go. Product purchased. And then the last step is I'm choosing which Circle space to add them to. That makes sense? So you're choosing add them to a space, in this case, add them to a space when the product is purchased, and then saying add them to this particular space. I'll use one called the one-page masterclass. So now I have this rule set up. Anytime this product is bought, it's going to go to Circle. It's going to add them to this space, right? If I wanted to, I could also say something like, I want to remove them from that space. Should they cancel subscription? Should they, a product be refunded? Should, whatever. So I'll go ahead and create one more rule. I'll basically just create the opposite. So I could say, cool, Scott Circle integration, and I want to remove a member from a space. And click next step. Then I'm going to choose, again, the e-commerce or courses actions is basically just SamCart saying, when something happens in SamCart, what do you want to do over there? So I'm going to choose from the e-commerce dropdown. And there's all kinds of different things here, right? So I will choose when product is refunded, right? But you could see down here, I could use subscription canceled. I could use subscription completed to say, I'm going to remove them from a space when a payment plan runs out or something kind of like that. A lot of different options here, but I'm just going to go ahead and choose product refunded. And then choose that same Circle space, this list of spaces in our Circle account. And we'll say one-page masterclass and just go ahead and remove. So I'll click Save Changes. And then what we can do now is actually test this out and show you exactly what this person is going to experience. So I will grab the express URL to this product and open it up in a new tab. And I'm going to go ahead and just place a quick test order, right? So I'll use, I got to use my test email address, full name, And so here you can see with SamCart, we could actually add multiple different items to our cart. Each one of these could add people to their own Circle space or their own Circle community, right? Whatever it is inside of your Circle account. Just whatever products you have, create those integration rules, and SamCart's going to take care of the rest. But we'll go ahead and click enroll now. Got a quick upsell that I can show, and now I'm done, right? We are all set. And so what is going to happen next is that your customer is going to get emailed their login information from Circle directly to their inbox. So let me go ahead and pull that up. And just like that, someone is inside of your Circle account. This is them just go ahead and creating a profile as sort of a brand new member, but I'm gonna go ahead and just skip this stuff, and you'll see that someone will have access to the community, or I'm sorry, the space rather, that you've invited them to, and be able to start diving into your Circle integration. And now if we go ahead back into SamCart and actually refund this charge by going to sales, and it was a test order, but still a sale nonetheless, open up this order and just hit refund entire order. What we should see is that reverse integration rule is going to go into effect, where it's going to go back to Circle and actually revoke my access from this space. If I go back to Circle, you actually see here is this member that I just created, and I can open it up and check on access and see that they no longer have access to that one-page masterclass space. So there's those rules working in reverse. Smart sellers are going to be using these rules to make sure that they are granting access when someone buys something, and they are removing access when a subscription cancels, a payment plan runs out, whatever. But these simple integration rules are going to allow you to protect your most precious content and communities, while also getting all the benefits of having SamCart as the front-end checkout, powering higher conversions, more profit, and more sales. So if you want to tack on SamCart checkout to the front of your Circle community, head over to SamCart.com and grab a free trial to try us out right now. Connect these two tools and see the power that having the right tools for the job will make with your bottom line.